Great, a mobile web app that boils down a generic SAP business process to a single task for my phone. It sure looks easy to use, but is it really useful? And can I run my entire business this way? What if I'm on the road requiring access to SAP to configure products? Can I use all the configuration rules, validations, and pricing from SAP without having my IT rebuild all the business logic? What about all the key SAP GUI functions such as F4, F1, reports, and multi-sessions? Can I get these somehow all on my iPad? Do I need to access SAP through a browser? What about responsiveness? How can I access SAP without latency or bandwidth limitations so I can have immediate interaction for high-volume transactions? And finally, how can I get all of this without bogging down IT resources or hiring expensive consultants to build my ideal user experience from scratch? How can IT simply extend SAP to users without incurring monumental technical resources or layers upon layers of infrastructure costs? And with all the technologies, don't forget about all the training and time to learn all the new technologies and tools. With the Liquid UI patented technology, a direct connection is established to your SAP system, which means you can use all the power of SAP, such as F4 list options, F1 help, and so on. Bundled with SAP GUI, screens are easily customized based on standard front-end scripting technology without decoding, compiling, or touching of the back end, so it's perfect for rapid release cycles. You can combine and consolidate screens, tabs, and transactions and reuse the same code for multiple touchpoints. Our tools can even create Excel spreadsheets or PDF documents for non-SAP users to use as front ends to SAP with all the fields automatically mapped to SAP data. We also have out-of-box, single task-based apps that can be deployed in 3 days for things like purchase rec approvals, asset lookup, goods receipt, or to analyze customer sales order or material stock inventory. We also have full-fledged out-of-box applications for your enterprise that can be customized for different roles in your organization and delivered in 21 days. Based on our new Orca designs, your screens no longer look like SAP screens. You can create material master record, create a maintenance work order, or create a sales order with a new design. For example, you can consolidate SD VA01 to include credit checks, customer create, and pricing condition all on one unified screen. And the best part is that you can reuse the same application to run on iOS, Android, or even ScanGuns, drastically shortening time to market and reducing the cost of application development and long-term maintenance. Your users are more productive and efficient. You eliminate input errors and all its consequences, such as inconsistent and incomplete data. You reduce training and support and improve master data quality. With a single tool set, a single language, a single code base, you can unify your SAP user experience across any touchpoint, any form factor, any business process, anytime, anywhere, even in the middle of the ocean on an oil rig where there's no connectivity. That's the power of Liquid UI.